The United States military has always stood at the cutting edge of warfare. In 2025, its arsenal is more advanced, more lethal, and more intimidating than ever before. From stealth bombers to invisible warships, from drones that never sleep to submarines that stalk the deep, these are the top 10 most powerful U.S. military weapons in 2025. At number 10, the legendary M1 Abrams, born in the Cold War, perfected in the modern era. The latest SEP-V3 upgrade makes it nearly indestructible with improved armor, electronic warfare defenses, and a 120mm smoothbore cannon that shreds anything in its path. On the battlefield, this tank remains a symbol of brute American firepower. At number 9, the futuristic Zumwalt-class destroyer. With its sharp angles and radar-absorbing design, it looks more like a spaceship than a warship. Built for stealth and armed with advanced missiles, this $4 billion vessel represents the Navy's leap into the next generation of naval warfare. Even enemies struggle to spot it on radar before it strikes. At number 8, the brand new B-21 Raider. Dubbed the stealth bomber of the future, it can fly anywhere in the world, undetected, carrying both conventional and nuclear weapons. Designed to replace the aging B-2 Spirit, the B-21 is a game-changer in strategic bombing, ensuring America's reach extends across every continent. At number 7, the workhorse of the U.S. Navy, the F/A-18 Super Hornet. It's not the flashiest, but it's reliable, versatile, and battle-proven. From striking targets deep inland to defending carriers from enemy jets, the Super Hornet continues to be a backbone of American air power in 2025. At number 6, the hunter in the skies, the MQ-9 Reaper drone. Controlled from halfway across the world, it can loiter for over 27 hours, silently tracking targets. Equipped with Hellfire missiles and precision bombs, the Reaper delivers death from above with zero warning. In 2025, drones like these dominate modern battlefields where no pilot needs to risk his life. Number 5, the Virginia-class submarine. Beneath the oceans, America's silent killers roam. These submarines are armed with cruise missiles, torpedoes, and the latest stealth technology. They can strike land targets, sink enemy ships, and gather intelligence while remaining nearly impossible to detect. In underwater warfare, the Virginia-class is unmatched. At number 4, the Apache attack helicopter. Known as the tank killer, this chopper can unleash a storm of Hellfire missiles, rockets, and its 30mm chain gun. Apaches dominate low-altitude battlefields, providing close air support to ground troops and striking terror into enemy armor. At number 3, the legendary F-22 Raptor, still the king of air superiority. With unmatched stealth, agility, and super cruise ability, the Raptor rules the skies. No jet in the world has proven capable of challenging it in dogfights. At number 2, the F-35 Lightning II. Unlike the Raptor, the F-35 isn't just a fighter, it's a flying computer. Packed with sensors, electronic warfare systems, and stealth, it can coordinate entire battlefields. Whether it's taking off from a carrier, hovering like a helicopter, or striking deep inside enemy lines, the F-35 is the most versatile jet ever built. And finally, at number 1, the Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carrier, the largest warship in history. A floating city of steel powered by nuclear reactors, capable of launching over 75 aircraft. It is the ultimate symbol of American dominance at sea. When one of these giants arrives off a coastline, the entire world takes notice. In 2025, the U.S. military stands unmatched. From the skies above to the seas below, its weapons project power, precision, and dominance. These aren't just machines, they're symbols of American strength. And for the foreseeable future, they ensure the United States remains the world's most formidable military force.